Modern writing apps have a strange problem. They make it very easy to feel productive without actually writing anything. You open up one of these apps intending to write, but instead you create a bunch of folders, maybe try a new template that's supposed to organize your life. You rearrange a few pages, link a few ideas together, and before you know it, an hour has passed. You've built a system for writing, but you haven't written anything. Not because the tools were bad. In fact, many of them are incredible. They can organize knowledge, connect ideas, build entire webs of information. Some people call this building a second brain, and I understand the appeal. A few years ago, I went pretty deep down that path myself. I made tutorials on this channel showing how to build those systems. I even sold over 1,000 templates helping people organize their ideas inside them. For a while, I was fully bought in. The tools made it easy to feel like you were working while quietly avoiding the work itself. And the work, of course, is writing. So I started thinking about a different kind of tool, a tool with a singular focus, something much simpler in a world full of do-everything software, a place where writing comes first. And that idea eventually became MyDraft. When you open MyDraft, the experience is intentionally quiet, a small quote on startup and a blinking cursor, inviting you to begin writing. The goal of this tool is not to organize your thinking, it's to help thinking happen. But don't mistake simplicity for emptiness. Beneath the surface are small details designed around the psychology of writing, refined over 10 months of daily writing inside the app. Writing streaks that encourage consistency, a focus animation for restless minds, and the ability to pin a note so an idea stays with you throughout the day. And there's another intentional decision behind this tool, one that follows the same philosophy as the last app I released. MyDraft isn't connected to the cloud, it doesn't have AI features, and it never stores your writing on someone else's server. Everything you write lives only on your computer, because your ideas should belong to you. And your writing isn't locked inside this app either. Every note is saved as a simple markdown file, which means it can be opened in almost any writing program. If one day, for some strange reason, MyDraft disappears, your ideas don't. They stay with you, completely portable. Writing isn't just another menial task. It's how ideas leave your mind. Before something is written down, it's fragile. It's just a loose collection of thoughts floating somewhere in your head. It's unclear and easy to forget. But the moment you begin writing, something changes. Thoughts start organizing themselves, connections appear, and vague ideas slowly become something concrete. Almost every meaningful project begins this way. I've actually been using MyDraft daily for almost an entire year. Every idea I've had, every concept behind the tools I've built, even this video, it all started inside this app. Right now I'm on a 20-day writing streak, and I've written in MyDraft more than 115 days total. These numbers aren't here to impress anyone, they're just proof that the tool works. When an idea appears, I open MyDraft and start writing. Many of the concepts behind the tools I've built, including Tastemaker, started exactly this way. A simple note, a thought, an idea, written right here. On the surface, it might seem a little cliche for a developer to release another Notes app. You might even be rolling your eyes at the thought of it. But in a world full of sloppy products that create more noise than value, I wanted to build something intentional. So instead of asking the usual question, what features should I add, I asked a different one. What can I remove? What would a writing tool feel like if its only job was to help you sit down and write? That question led to MyDraft, a calm place for ideas to appear. A simple space that invites you back every day, distraction-free, and even a little fun. Because while most tools are built to organize your thoughts, this one was built to help you create them. And sometimes the most powerful thing software can do is simply give your ideas a place to begin. If you've ever opened a writing app and felt overwhelmed before you even started, you might enjoy MyDraft. It exists for a very simple reason. When an idea appears, you open the app, and you write. If you'd like to try MyDraft for yourself, there's a link in the description below. The first 50 users get MyDraft completely free. Use the promo code FOUNDER at checkout. Once those run out, it's $9. Buy once, own forever. That's it. Happy writing.